truck content. No! No! Oh. Oh. Brand new windscreen. Truck content, but first Land Rover content. We're just having a
I won't f***ing start.
Do you want us to tell you why?
Why? Why? Got nothing to do with the boot. Well, now.
Yeah, we're gonna go and find out what's wrong with it because we've got typical Land Rover fashion.
Low coolant level. Want some antifreeze in it?
Does it?
Yeah,
I never noticed that. I just got in it and drove it, to be fair.
Well, that doesn't surprise me.
Typical Land Rover fashion, it's lit up like a Christmas tree, so we're gonna go and try and figure out what's wrong with this. And then tomorrow, truck content, hopefully, depending on Corey. Front right wheel speed sensor, permanent.
Unplug me.
So the driver's side wheel speed sensor is reading 0 when you're moving and the rest are working, but it has got a brand new sensor in, so I need to swap the right side for the left side and see if it swaps over. If it doesn't, then it's definitely something wrong with the wiring on the driver's side. Something for me to do this afternoon. Marvellous. It's going for MOT next week. Right, my next little job, as you can see, the bumpers on the Antora are looking a little bit sorry for themselves. So I've got this Forever Black bumper and trim. First we've got to give it a good scrub and then apply it. So we'll see what it looks like before and after. Now give me love. Well, it is still drying, but I don't know how well it'll look on camera. It definitely looks better than it did from a distance. It is still drying though. Time for a shower and a beer, and then I'm going to go out for tea. I think we're going to have Indians for tea. To my little locker in that cage.
Yeah.
No bed. Aren't you? No bed. Yes, you are. You're in a bed. Tell everybody you're in a bed. Ah. Well, we're going to be going for Indians for tea, and I rang my mate to make sure we're still on for truck content tomorrow. Just told us about this pizza place in Newcastle, so now... As you know, you're in. I would have said we're in, aren't we?
We'll have a look and see how much room.
Yeah, so anyway, we're going to go and try this all-you-can-eat pizza place in Newcastle. So Corey, I know you will be watching. If it's horrible, trusting a 12-year-old to back you up.
You can direct us onto the caravan.
Yeah, so Corey, if this is horrible, I'm blaming it on you. Yeah, Corey, you told me Little Cosmos in Newcastle was nice, and it was absolutely shocking. Even what did I say to the bloke? The worst chicken tikka masala I've ever had in my life. I've got no idea. You're asking me. I'm assuming it's in there. It says it's in the forge. That's the forge there. She's asking me. I've never. Yeah, Corey, you will get into trouble if this is horrible. I've never been before. She's asking me where it's at. There, unlimited. It must be in here. It's got to be. It's Corey and Bother. It's Corey and Bother.
Yeah.
Corey, guess where I'm going? Straight back to the car. And I'm going for me Indians.
Got to pay for an hour's worth of parking to walk in. We've got no availability.
She's not impressed. Literally, how many tables was free in there? It was empty. But they're fully booked. Surely you shouldn't have to pay for an hour when I've literally just drove in.
Yep.
What a piss take. Are you coming to help with truck content tomorrow?
If Corey wants to die.
You just stay in the house. Is it going to give us a coin back or not? Off to Chesley Street.
You can get it out of that space.
Off to the Indians. I'll get me Vindaloo after all. Five, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5.
Code not valid.
552 652.
552 652.
Did I say
You
2
said-
5?
Yes, you did.
Whoops. We're just doing what normal people do at 8:30 at night.
This
We're in a
does
car
fit in
wash.
here,
Better
doesn't
pull the
it?
window up. What do you mean, does it fit? It's a car. It's a car wash. Truck content. Put your window down and check. No! No! Oh! What did you do that for?
You were going to do it to me.
But it was right up there when I did it. Bitch. Me good truck style hoodie. That bumper stuff's gonna wash off now.
Should I fold my wing mirrors in?
Well, it's the next day, and I will say that does look better. Yeah, the wheels are a mess, but the bumpers look a lot better now. Yeah. It's only you get up close you can see the brush marks. Daft. Truck content. Somebody's decided to buy himself some musical horns and a Turkish whistle. What are you doing under there?
When the flex off.
This is going to go badly wrong. Do you know that?
Everything does.
We're going to plug that box in, right? That's going to go. So, yeah, truck content. If we can't do truck content with my truck, we'll just do truck content with other people's wagons. It's easier. But anyway, look at the daft. Good condition. Careful owner. Oh, fuck. Corey, I don't like these steps. I normally use my left foot to get out.
One careful owner.
One careful owner. Oh, who's that? Is that Eddie Hall? Huh? What's behind there? Wiring.
Starting already, isn't it?
Choo-choo. Wait, I've got to find somewhere to mount them. Ah. They're not going to fit under there. You do know Daft's a prone for electrical problems. That's not the back of the fuse board though, is it? I'm going to do the Turkish whistle first. Because we're having problems with the other ones. Now we're robbing nuts and bolts from one DAF to fix another DAF. Anyone recognise this one? Whose was it? Different name, do it. It looks like it would have been nice when in its glory days. Nah, I don't need a private reg. You've been in here, you can tell. You can tell you've been in here. Still got the man's bedding in it. Steering wheel's been painted. Oh. On some drugs. Don't know what they are. Do you want some? No.
I never thought of coming to my view this one.
Here, there's brand new nuts and bolts in here. Aye. How? Here.
Watch out,
Like a big kid. work.
You punch it.
Oh, I got one.
Stainless, isn't it?
It's barely scratched it. I wouldn't touch that if I was you.
How do you feel?
Did you do with the other bolt? Now we just got to hope that this is actually going to reach. I'm more worried about whether it's actually going to break. It's a little bit ropey, to be fair.
I wonder if there's somewhere where you poke it through. Yeah.
It would have been ideal if there was enough room under the bloody cab for it. Just run it straight in through the door. Be alright.
Let's put it in.
Aye. Made what?
You see this?
Oh my god, it's had a wee hole. Fucking hell! That's actually loud.
I made that.
You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Have you been driving around holding that out the window at people?
Window.
Fuck's sake. Don't do it in my ear again. Right! Fucking hell, man.
Yeah, dust is on just for dusting.
So, we'll maybe we'll show where we've mounted the horns, but we'll not show how we've got the cable inside the cab.
It's in.
It's in. That's the main thing, I suppose. You broke it.
Oh, it just slides on there. I pulled it.
How do you get the pillows off in the daft?
Rivet.
This is where the windscreen
Like a
goes through.
240 or something like that. How do people enjoy working on trucks though?
I don't think they do. Have you ever met a happy truck fitter? They're normally grumpy.
I think that's all it's coming up does.
Just watch out windscreen. Seeing it is brand new. I'm gonna get it on camera when you do hit the window and it comes.
Dash out. We should get through there now.
Aye.
What's going on? That's it. Know what that does? Know what that does? Nothing for.
Might do. We can get through over there, maybe. Oh yeah, we can get through here.
Where?
I think we can get through there. Can we get through there? No?
Right.
Corey says he feels like it's been a success.
Can I ever get this kind of success?
It's not back together yet.
It's getting there.
It says it's getting there. Toggles!
It's not happening.
Oh! Oh! It's a brand new windscreen. Make sure our grab handle's tight because it's got to support you.
Just a little.
Oh my god, is that Eddie Hall? If anybody wants any truck repairs done, just
Different Ascos.
give us a shout. It just might not go back together the way that it was before we did it.
Better the fact with us.
Choo choo!
But it's together, isn't it?
It's together.
Did you take them?
You need to put your things back on. Oh, you twat! Fuck's sake. Just put it all back together. He's unplugged one of the wires, touched it on something metal, and now nothing will work. We're all done.
Linda, listen, Linda. Okay, then what?
Jesus Christ. Next time, don't ask me.
Next time I'm not asking myself.
Hopefully they don't fall off.
Been torture.
Why would anybody want them on that truck?
He's absolutely going for it.
What a fucking guy.
I'll have them on. Wait, one more thing. Daft. Right, have fun, see you later. I'll send you a picture of my pizza, right? Because I didn't get mine last night. Right off. Oh. So that plastic fucking bumper die that we used on the car, we're going to find out how fucking good it comes out of carpets now. Because the Malinois decided to shred the sponge.
Didn't paint the carpet with it.
Painted the carpet with it? Yep. I'll paint it with something in a minute. Rescue a dog, they said. It'll be fun, they said. That ain't gonna come out, is it? Thanks, knobhead. So we've just come to this pizza shop in Newcastle, and I really hope that the food is a lot better than the location, because it's an industrial estate by the looks of it. I thought we were coming to the back entrance to a bloody shop.